Okay, so today we're gonna make a Meyer lemon avocado toast with CBD. So the reason for this is, if you follow me on Twitter or on Facebook, you've probably heard me bitch a lot about my bad back. I have a really bad back. About 7 years ago, I could barely even walk. And I use CBD for pain relief and for sleeping. So also, I did a recipe, a lavender latte with this. Check that out too. This is just gonna be straight up avocado toast. Who doesn't love that, right? So this is using the Infuse It water soluble CBDA and CBD. It's a bit of a mix of both. It's more CBDA than CBD. And if you're wondering what the difference is between those things, CBDA is actually the precursor to CBD. It's more raw, it's more bioavailable, and it just, it's great. So the thing that's also wonderful about this Infuse It powder CBD is that compared to oil-based CBDs, this starts working the moment that you eat it. The moment it hits your mouth, it starts affecting your body. The oil-based ones, you actually have to digest them before you actually feel the effects. So someone like me who's always in pain and also really f***ing impatient, this is a great way to start. So to start making this recipe, just gotta start out with bread, right? You have to have toasted bread to have avocado toast. It's kind of in the name. So just go ahead and toast that bread. While the bread is toasting, you can prepare the mashed avocado. So to start out, you wanna take some Meyer lemon juice and mix it with the CBD powder. Now, it mixes in really fast. It's soluble, as I mentioned. In fact, I think it's the only soluble one on the market. So it mixes in quite nicely, but you can actually heat it up in the microwave a little bit. That heat will help it dissolve even faster. So take the lemon juice with the CBD powder, completely mix that together, and then you're gonna add in your avocado and mash that and mix all of that together. Once it's all mashed and easily spreadable, go ahead and divide the mashed avocado across the two pieces of toast. And then I'm just gonna top it off with a little flaky salt and a little bit of red pepper flakes. It's the perfect little snack. This is a really great way to just have that CBD quickly. So the great thing about the Infuse It CBD powder, outside of the fact that it quickly dissolves and one also quickly is, you can just feel the effects, is CBD has a lot of benefits. There's a lot of studies out there. I am not a doctor, so I'm not gonna even get into that whole part of it. You can just Google it, but there's been studies showing that CBDA and CBD are anti-inflammatory. They can help with cancer and seizures and all that sort of stuff. There's even studies out there about how CBDA helps with COVID. So just Google it. I'm not gonna say that, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Just Google it. I'm not the expert, but there's a lot out there, and I've definitely have had the benefits of this with my back injury and my back pain. So once you divide the mashed avocado on the toast, top it off with some flaky salt, top it off with some crushed red pepper, boom, slam it, and you're good to go. And hopefully you'll just be chilled as and happy with the CBDA. So check out the Infuse It CBD, and that's it.